Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is an unplanned DIY video. A couple of days ago I broke my slipper, and instead of going to the store to buy a new one, I wanted to fix this by myself with leftover craft supplies that I have from my previous DIY projects. I don't know how this is going to turn out, or I don't have any idea on how I'm going to do this, but let's give it a go. Here is my broken slipper. As you can see, the straps have come off, and obviously I tried to fix it with a glue gun, but it didn't turn out so well. So let's see if I can fix it. Our first step is to cut off the glue just to clean up the mess I made before. Once that's done, I'm thinking maybe I can fix my slipper with this fur yarn, which is left over from my DIY Halloween wreath video. If you guys haven't checked that out, please do so. And this is our fresh canvas. I removed the glue and I also took the straps out. I have no idea how I'm going to fix the strap back, but let's worry about that later. And so I'm thinking maybe we can just put straps of fur just like that, and we can move our way outwards just like that again. I hope you understand what I mean. Let's hope that works out. Here is my fresh canvas. I'm just gonna put a drop of glue there and take my fur trim and slowly, very carefully, don't burn your hands, and place it on top of the glue. Tap it a little bit so that it sticks to the slipper, and continue to do the same thing with strips of fur. Just like that, you can cut vertical strips and just keep them ready by your side and then start sticking them so it's easy and quick. I'm gonna time lapse them so you're not bored of watching the same video again and again. So here we go. Once we are done, flip all the fur up and lay a thin strip of glue and start sticking them along the slipper, like downwards, vertically, however you want to call it. Be careful and don't burn your hands. When I was doing this, I did burn my hands a couple of times. The glue is really hot, so you may want to be really careful. And I'm just going to time lapse these once again. So here we go. Oh, and don't forget to push the fur outwards as you stick so they don't stick to each other, and trust me, it can really be messy. So this is how the slipper will look after we've stuck all the fur. I'm gonna fill all these open edges now with more fur. Some of you might think, why don't you just go to the store and buy a new slipper? Like, why do you want to go through all this trouble? Well, I just like a little DIY. If you find any empty gaps on the slipper, feel free to fill it up with fur and glue it away. We're almost done here. It feels so fuzzy and cozy, but before finishing, we have to cut all the excess that's hanging around. Please, do it. Come on. Here is our final fuzzy slipper. If you find some spots of glue on top of the fur, you can always go ahead and trim them off just a little bit. And now we have our clean slipper. I am so happy how it turned out. Now I'm gonna cover the sides of the slipper with more fur just to have a nice and a clean finish. The slipper actually feels so cozy and fuzzy. It's so perfect for winters. I'm so happy I did this on my own. Now for the most important part, the straps of the slipper. Cut 4 strips of fur again. The longer the better, because we're going to tie them up on the ends. And twist them together, twist all the 4 fur together so it's easy to push them through the hole where the straps go. Use a really sharp object to push the fur gently into the hole. You can use a pencil, pen, or in my case, a comb. Make a knot and stick it with a glue gun so it doesn't pull through, as this fur is really soft. It's easy for it to come on the other side when we wear the slipper. In order to make the top part sturdy, I'm gonna make 4 to 5 knots so it doesn't pull through, it doesn't break, nothing bad happens to it. And once you're done with the knots, do the same thing for the other two sides of the straps. You might want to wear the slipper and then decide how tighter you want the straps to be. You can totally random this and remember to always use a lot of glue gun when needed. This is the final product and I am so glad how this turned out. This is so comfortable and really perfect for winter days. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.